Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make use of transpose and inverse matrix in Mathematica. So basically in transpose matrix the position of the elements within matrix gets changed. In inverse matrix you will find that the matrix that you see is inverted in its dimension and the set of elements are inversed as well. So we'll take a look at that with examples so you can understand it better. So this is Mathematica notebook. You can open Mathematica, then go to File, then New Notebook. You should open blank notebook. Now let's create one matrix. So double curly bracket, 1, 2, 3 being my first row, then 3, 4, 5, then 5, 6, 7 being my third. Now we will convert this into matrix form with mat2, then matrix form, then mat1, close with square bracket, and you have your matrix form for this matrix. Now I have to convert this into transpose matrix. For that I'm going to make use of mat3 equals to transpose and then square bracket, then mat1. Okay, so I'm going to shift enter and I get this transpose values. I can get it in matrix form. Simply use mat4, then matrix form, then mat3, shift enter, and I get this transpose matrix. Here you notice that our row is now transposed into this column, and similarly rest follows as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3 being first column, then 3, 4, 5 being another, then 5, 6, 7 being another. This was your transpose that shifts the position of elements within our matrix. Okay, now similarly you can go for inverse where the values are inverted. So let's make another matrix. Let's go with a simpler one, 1, 2, and then 2, 4, or you can also go for, let's say, 1, 4 and then 5, 10 for simplicity. And okay, now we will have our matrix in matrix form, or you can directly go for inverse. So mat6 equals to inverse, okay, and then mat5, shift enter, and you have your values in -1, 2 by 5, and 1 by 2, and -1 by 10. Okay, this is because you're finding inverse, and to change that into matrix form we simply use mat7, then matrix form, mat6, shift enter, and we have our matrix form for these values. Now if you want to convert this into numbers instead of fractions, we simply make use of mat6 in numerics. So shift enter and you get your values in these fractions here, this way, in a numeric form. Okay, so what we have seen so far is how to create our matrix in a transpose form. We also checked how to create inverse, how to represent the value of inverse matrix in numerics. So this was a short video on how to work with transpose and inverse matrix.